How to connect Apple AirPods Pro with a Nothing phone, as well as set it up with the Andropods app, which will allow you to get pop-up animation on Android 12 devices, which is also your Nothing phone one. And let's go ahead and get started. If you're interested in the app, it's known as Andropods here. You can get it from the Play Store. It's free, and of course, it's up to you to decide to use it. You can still use the AirPods Pro without this app on your Nothing phone. All right, so first things first, you want to go ahead and make sure the AirPods Pro is not already connected to another device, as when you open it, it will reconnect to that previously paired device. Make sure it has some battery life, so while you're connecting it, it won't die out on you. And now we want to get the AirPods Pro into pairing mode. And to do this, open up the case lid here at the back of your AirPods Pro. There is this little button here, a physical button here. You're gonna hold that down and don't let go until this light indicator here starts blinking in a white light. So hold it and wait for it to start blinking. It needs to blink like this here. Let it blink for at least 5 times and then let it go. Keep the case lid open at all times for the rest of this process until you get it connected. Now on your Nothing phone here, you'll use the quick panel access and look for the Bluetooth option here. You'll want to long press it and that'll take you to the main settings. This will have the option to give pair new device, and when you select that, it's going to turn on your Bluetooth settings and search for nearby devices. So wait for AirPods to show up. You got AirPods Pro here, and when you select it, it's going to say pairing. You'll see it trying to connect here as you select pair, and it will say that it's active. You can also tap on the settings right here to get some more options if you want to switch it for calls and media audio and whatnot. Now let's go ahead and test out the Andropods app. So since I already have it activated, this is the accurate battery percentage actually. So you'll want to go into the app itself first, and after allowing the overlays and giving it permission to the app, activate the service first and select the model that you're using it for. So it's an AirPods Pro here. I'll close this out so you can actually see it. And once it's activated here, and since you already have it connected, now as we go ahead and open up the case lid here like this, you should get the pop-up animation. So just wait for that. There might be a little delay here, and you'll get something that looks just like this here. Okay. Now, of course, if I do take them out of the case, you just wait for it to register the AirPods Pro alone, just the earbuds. And there you go, my friends. So like, sub, and thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave you something really interesting. All right, so thanks for watching.